Good evening, everyone. Today we are going to talk, in this video we are going to talk about the strategy, overall strategy for CAT examination. Now CAT, everybody thinks that CAT is a really difficult examination, but it's only difficult for those who do not have a strategy. Okay, so CAT, in CAT you have three sections, Quant, English, DILR. Every section gets around 40 minutes of time, and in each section we have 22 to 24 questions. In order to get 99 percentile, you will be required to solve 11 to 12, 50% of the questions with 100% accuracy. If you are able to solve 11 to 12 questions in each section with 100% accuracy, you will get a sectional percentile of 95, and if you get 95 percentile in all your three sections, you will get 99 percentile. Okay, when it comes to English, you will get 4 passages. Of those 4 passages, you should be able to solve at least 2 to 3 passages out of 4. And on top of that, you will have some para jumbles and some para summary. Okay, you need to make sure, you need to ensure that out of all of this, you are able to solve at least 11 to 12 questions with 100% accuracy. Since English is a scoring section, you can also solve more questions than 12, 13 questions if you want, because you can really score here. Okay, when it comes to DILR, LR is more dependent on set practice, so you need to make sure that you are giving every day a certain amount of time for set practice. Data interpretation is based on estimation. In order to be really good at estimation, you need to have a really good hold on percentages. In data interpretation, you can play with percentages and you can estimate the value. Really, what happens in data interpretation, toppers don't really solve, they estimate. So if you want to really pull good marks in this section, you need to have a good knowledge of percentages. And in percentages, we have 1 by 2 is 50%, 1 by 3 is 33.33%, right? 1 by 4 is 25%. You should memorize all of this till 1 by 20. So 1 by 14 is 7.07%, 1 by 15 is 6%, I think 6.33%, 1 by 12 is 8.25%. So you need to remember all of this by heart. So a good hold of percentages, a lot of practice for logical reasoning, set practice. For English, newspapers. Newspapers are another thing that should always be present in any topper's arsenal. If you are reading every day newspapers, if you are reading every day, you'll get through group discussion and personal interviews really easily. After exam, you'll not have time to really work on your GD and personal interview skills. So start reading newspapers from now, because newspaper will also help you with your English and vocabulary. Okay, quant is also similar. You need to understand what are your strengths and weaknesses, and you need to make sure that you only focus on the strengths and not on the weaknesses. Okay, quantitative way, you need to understand that you need to solve only 11 to 12 questions. So you know that in quant around 10 to 12 questions will be of the easy difficulty, around 6 to 7 questions will be of moderate difficulty, and the remaining questions, which are around 12, 19, around 5 questions will be around of very tough difficulty. So you need to work on your quant in such a way that you should be able to get 11 to 12 questions correct. If you ensure that you get 11, 12 questions in each section correct, you'll easily get 99%. But you need to make sure that you are solving all the questions with 100% accuracy. That will only get you to the IIMs. Thank you so much for your time. See you in the next video.